video. Here in this video we are going to see how to install Lineage OS 14.1. So open TWRP recovery. Before you do that, first take a backup of your current ROM or current OS and click wipe. Click wipe, then go to advanced wipe, click cache, dalvik cache system data. If you want to keep your internal storage, then keep your backup, then click to swipe, then it will take some time. Then after formatting process is done, go back, click install, go to the location where you have downloaded the ROM. So we have downloaded nearly 8 ROMs, so you can flash. We will give you the description link, so there will be a link in the description. This may take after you click the select the ROM, click wipe, swipe flash to confirm. So it will take some time. It will take nearly 2 to 5 minutes, so wait patiently. Okay. Okay, then select wipe cache, as you can see, then click to swipe to wipe. Again after that you can go back, then please then install GApps, because the Play Store will not be installed in the current ROM. So swipe again, click install, then go to the storage, then swipe to flash again the GApps. It will take some time to nearly 4 to 5 minutes, or it depends on the phone. After it's done, again click wipe cache and swipe to wipe, then reboot system. So it will take some time to reboot. Don't worry, nothing will happen. So it will boot into the Lineage OS. Focus out. Focusing issue. Speed now it's booted into the Lineage OS, but it shows as Cyanogen mode. Don't worry. After we will do the setup and skip this video. Now it's booted into the Lineage OS. Now we'll go into the settings. As you can see, it shows about Android version 7.1.1. It's running on the Nougat version. So we can enable the Google Assistance, and it's clearly visible as you can see, there's Lineage OS API level. So everything is working. It's fine. Same. No bugs are visible in our testing. Camera is also working. In the previous version we had camera issues of video. Now it's recovered. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, and there will be more videos for the Zug Z1. Many ROMs will be made. Thank you.